Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. So today's video is super exciting. I have an announcement. Maniology reached out and asked if I wanted to be part of their ambassador program, and obviously I said yes. So I have a discount code for you guys. I will share that in the description below, as well as the link. So if you shop, use my code, you can save some money. So I was able to pick a starter kit as well as some stamping polish, and these are the two I picked. So let's go ahead and get into these. So starting off, I picked up this 3-piece stamping polish set. This is the Illusionist, and this is set 073. These colors are perfect for Halloween time. So here are the 3 colors that came in that set. This is a very beautiful purple, perfect for Halloween. And then you can swatch the color on the top of the bottles, and it will kind of give you an idea of what it'll look like on a white or black base. Next is this beautiful green shade. And lastly is this dark, deep gray color, which is obviously perfect for Halloween. Now this gray shade is called Smoke Show, and it is B488. This purple shade is called Charmed, and it's B486. And lastly, the green is called Trickster, and it is B487. Now getting into the starter kit, you guys, this packaging is so cool. Obviously I had to pick a Halloween stamping plate. This one is perfect. It has like an array of different types of Halloween. It has bats, spiders, skeletons, brains, pumpkin faces, all of it. You name it, it's on the stamp. That's why I chose this one. So you can get like super spooky or cute spooky, and it's on this plate. I love this plate. And on the back of the stamping plate, it just has their logo, and a beautiful teal color. But yes, so this is the stamping plate that I chose, and I love it. Next up is the starter kit stamping guide. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my kids in the back. This is the 3rd time I've tried to record this voiceover. I do apologize. So I did spend a little time showing you this pamphlet because I wanted to read it myself and make sure. So it just gives you instructions on how to stamp, troubleshooting tips. It comes with a QR code that you can scan and watch some of their how-to videos. And then on the back side, it just gives you step-by-step. The back of it, the blue film, you peel it off. And then you want to make sure that you clean your stamper with just soap and warm water. And then you want to make sure that when you are stamping, you work quickly because the polish does dry pretty quick. I'm sorry, when you're cleaning your plate, you want to make sure you clean it with 100% acetone. And then unlock your creative side. So getting into the box, here is the scraper. It is so cute. I love that their design. It's so like 90s. But it's a nice size. And then it comes with a black polish and a top coat. It is in this like trial size, which is perfect because you get to try it, and it comes with what you need. And then here is the stamper, and it has its logo on the front of it. And then it has the top to protect the little stamper squishy part. So here I'm just taking away that blue film, and this stamper plate is so cute. So in this container is acetone. I got that from the Dollar Tree. And I don't have the fancy little cotton ball picker, so I just use some tweezers and it works just as fine. I just wanted to show you that. But I did have this plate sitting out, so I wanted to wipe it off to make sure there was no lint or anything on it. Now the black polish that on my pinky and my thumb is gel polish, and then the other 3 nails are just from the set that I picked out. So I'm gonna start with the green polish. So I do add a generous amount over the image, and I fill it up more than halfway, and then I scrape it down at an angle, and I try to get the rest of it off of my my scraper, and then I kind of roll it down the image to pick it up, and then I just find where I want to place it on my nail, and I kind of press down firmly, not too firmly though, you don't need to be rough. And then I just roll it around the nail from side to side and top to bottom. And then I press down on the sides to get the image to stick to the sides of the nail. And that is it. I love this green polish over the black background. I think it's such a beautiful shade of green. And then taking my brush with some acetone, I just clean up around the cuticle area and on the sides of the nail. And you want to be careful not to hit the image because that acetone will wipe it right away. So maybe next time I should add a top coat and then clean it up, but just be careful, and don't really matter which way you do it, just be careful not to hit your image with that acetone. And this is the top coat that came in with the starter kit. It is a smudge-free top coat, and it is super shiny. It looks so much better with that top coat on there. So now I'm going to go in with the gray color. And I do recommend putting the image that you're going to use in front of you, so you scrape like towards you, so you're not, I do it later in the video, I make that mistake. It doesn't mess up the rest of the plate. So I put the polish on the image and I scrape kind of down at an angle, and then I roll my stamper onto the image. And then I find where I want to place it, press down kind of firmly, and that is it. And then I do make sure I press down on the sides to make sure the image sticks to the rest of the nail. And I do clean it up with some acetone. And then I add my top coat. I'm not a professional by any means, and I'm not perfect. I'm just going off of the videos that I've been watching and from me when I used to do it 6 years ago or whatever. Now cleaning off the stamper, I just use my lint-free wipe, and I got that from Dollar Tree as well. And then with my cotton ball and some acetone, I just clean off the plate so I can go on to the next nail. So while the rest of this plays out, because it's pretty much the same thing, I'm just stamping on all of the nails, going between the colors. I just want to say a huge shout out to Maniology. I am so excited for this partnership. I absolutely love stamping. I'm actually considering subscribing to their monthly subscription, so hopefully I'm able to do that. But yes, y'all, I am so excited. If you want to save some money, make sure you check that link down below and use my code, which is Nail by Chris, and you can save some money. I did mess up on this one. The image didn't pick up all the way, so all you want to do is just put it on the lint or the lint roller or whatever you're using to take the image off, clean off your plate, and retry it. Again, I think a lot of you guys, when you're having trouble stamping, I think you guys think too much of it. You're rushing through it. I mean, you have to be kind of quick, but you don't have to like rush. Just make sure you have all your items, all the things you need, your tools in front of you, so you're not, you know, and make sure they're cleaned so you're not like fumbling around for your stuff. So I mean, it is super simple and it's fun. That's what it's meant for, to be fun. So just don't overthink it. I definitely need to buy some more of their stamping polish. Cause, see, this is the one I was talking about where I had the image away from me. So I scraped all that polish over the whole freaking plate. It's not a huge deal. It's just a lot more cleanup that you have to do. So I just recommend putting the image in front of you. So when you scrape it onto your paper towel or whatever you're using. So it's less mess that you have to clean up. So you guys just enjoy the rest of me showing you how I stamp. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I'm sorry guys. Also, I just want to say thank you to Sandra's Sparkly Sets. I've been watching her channel a lot lately and she really got me into wanting to stamp more. I was like going through all my stamping stuff from back in the day, and it picked up that passion for me again watching her video. So thank you to you, Sandra's Sparkly Sets. You're awesome. I love your work. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, on this nail, I tried to reverse stamp it. When I was doing my stamping back in the day, I was always not afraid, but like I wouldn't do it. I didn't want to try it because it looked hard, but it is so easy. I would recommend, for me anyways, using a liner brush or a detail brush instead of a dotting tool. But yeah, it was so easy. So you stamp the image normally, and then you just add the colors to where you want to put it, and that's it. I wouldn't put too much because then it might take a long time to dry, but it's way easier than I thought it would be. And just be aware, like what's that word I'm looking for, of how small your nail is compared to the image, because I'm like, I got like 5 ghost colored in and only like 3 or 4 fit on my nails. So I just thought that was funny. And here is how the set turned out. I wouldn't consider this like a normal set. I just wanted to play around with the stamping and show you guys some of the knowledge that I have from watching videos and just doing it myself. So I was just playing around with this stamping plate, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Please make sure, if you want to try Maniology, shop there. You don't have to use my discount code if you don't want to, but just shop there. Their products are amazing. Just give it a try. It's super easy. But all the information will be linked down below in the description box. And yeah, happy stamping, you guys. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.